Dear students, in today's session, I'll be teaching you factors of polynomial. What do you mean by factor? Factor is nothing but breaking down a bigger number into a smaller number. So in today's session, we will be learning a big polynomial will be broken down into a smaller polynomial. For example, let me start with a numerical. That is, let me take an example of 36. We can write 36 as 6 and 6. If we take the LCM as 6 and 6, it is 36. Or, since it's an even number, let's start from a smaller number, that is 2. Because 2 is also an even number. So, when we take the LCM of 36 with 2, you get 18. Again, when we take the LCM with 2, you get 9. Again, since it's an odd number, so we'll take 3. 3 and 3, 9. So the bigger number 36 can be broken down or can be written as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, which is nothing but 36. Similarly, a big polynomial can be broken down into or can be reduced into a smaller polynomial. For this, dear students, kindly see the given polynomial. The given polynomial is y square minus 3y whole square minus 5 y square minus 3y into, that is, it's in the bracket, minus 50. So when you observe, you have y square minus 3y as common. Here also you have and here also you have. I have just underlined it with the pink pen. So let this y square minus 3y be x. So this given polynomial will be now rewritten as, since it's a y square minus 3y whole square, this becomes x square minus 5 into y square minus 3y, again since it's a x, will be written as minus 5x minus 50. Since it's a polynomial in which we can break or split the middle term. So when I multiply, I should get 50, and when I subtract, I should get 5. So x square, if I multiply 10 and 5, I am getting 50, that is minus 50. And if I subtract minus 10 from plus 5, I get minus 5. You always write bigger numbers sign. So you get x square minus 10x plus 5x minus 50. Taking common, x is common in these two terms. So x minus 10 plus 5 I have taken common from these two. So x minus 10. Here your x minus 10 and x minus 10 is common. So take that out and you are left with x plus 5. So you got two terms now. But dear students, what is our x? Our x is nothing but y square minus 3y. So wherever we are having x, substitute that value. So that value, after substituting, you get y square minus 3y minus 10. Here in the x, I have substituted y square minus 3y and then minus 10 into y square minus 3y plus 5. This again I can split, since it's a normal quadratic equation or a polynomial in which middle term I can split. So this will be, I need 10, and when I subtract, I should get 3. So 5 into 2 is 10, minus 5 plus 2 is minus 3. So you get y square minus 5y plus 2y minus 10 into y square minus 3y plus 5. Here I cannot split the middle term. So y common, y minus 5 plus 2 common in this two term. So y minus 5. And write this entire term as it is. Now taking the common, y minus 5 is common in these two. So take that out. You are left with y plus 2. So the bigger equation will reduce into y minus 5 into y plus 2 into y square minus 3y plus 5. So dear students, I am sure you have understood how to solve a big polynomial into a smaller polynomial, or how to reduce a bigger polynomial into smaller polynomial. The trick is that just see the question and substitute with any variable and then solve, because it will be easy to split the middle term, and then substitute the value. It is not as complicated as it is looking. So dear students, I am sure you will definitely able to do such numericals.